1. What is the capital of Kazakhstan? A. Tashkent. B. Nur Sultan, Astana. C. Bishkek. D. Almaty. Answer. B. Nur Sultan, Astana. 2. Which of these is a rabi crop in India? A. Rice. B. Maize. C. Wheat. D. Cotton. Answer. C. Wheat. 3. Which hormone is responsible for the fight or flight response in humans? A. Insulin. B. Adrenaline. C. Thyroxine. D. Oxytocin. Answer. B. Adrenaline. 4. The Nobel Prize is awarded in how many categories? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Answer. B. 6. 5. Which element has the atomic number 1? A. Helium. B. Hydrogen. C. Oxygen. D. Nitrogen. Answer. B. Hydrogen. 6. Who composed the famous Sare Jahan Se Acha? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Muhammad Iqbal. C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. D. Sarojini Naidu. Answer. B. Muhammad Iqbal. 7. Who is the author of The Origin of Species? A. Charles Darwin. B. Gregor Mendel. C. Albert Einstein. D. Alfred Russel Wallace. Answer. A. Charles Darwin. 8. Who wrote the book Indica? A. Megasthenes. B. Cortelyar. C. Hiuen Tsang. D. Al-Biruni. Answer. A. Megasthenes. 9. Which part of the Constitution of India deals with fundamental rights? A. Part 3. B. Part 4. C. Part 5. D. Part 6. Answer. A. Part 3. 10. Which layer of the atmosphere is responsible for weather phenomena? A. Stratosphere. B. Troposphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Thermosphere. Answer. B. Troposphere. 11. The headquarters of the World Trade Organization (WTO) is located in A. New York. B. Paris. C. Geneva. D. London. Answer. C. Geneva. 12. Which Indian is popularly known as the Metro Man? A. A. Sridharan. B. Ratan Tata. C. M. Vishweshware. D. Narayana Murthy. Answer. A. A. Sridharan. 13. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? A. 1920. B. 1930. C. 1942. D. 1947. Answer. C. 1942. 14. The hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels is A. Adrenaline. B. Thyroxine. C. Insulin. D. Glucagon. Answer. C. Insulin. 15. The staple food of the people of Tamil Nadu is A. Wheat. B. Rice. C. Maize. D. Barley. Answer. B. Rice. 16. The Kalinga War was fought during the reign of which ruler? A. Ashoka. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Harsha. D. Bindusara. Answer. A. Ashoka. 17. The enzyme that breaks down starch into sugar is A. Lipase. B. Amylase. C. Pepsin. D. Trypsin. Answer. B. Amylase. 18. Who is the first woman to win the Nobel Prize twice? A. Marie Curie. B. Jane Goodall. C. Malala Yousafzai. D. Rosalind Franklin. Answer. A. Marie Curie. 19. The International Court of Justice is located in which city? A. Geneva. B. New York. C. The Hague. D. Paris. Answer. C. The Hague. 20. Which Indian state is famous for the Chhath Puja festival? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Bihar. C. West Bengal. D. Orissa. Answer. B. Bihar. 21. What is the square root of 256? A. 14. B. 15. C. 16. D. 17. Answer. C. 16. 22. In which year was the Battle of Panipat fought between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi? A. 1526. B. 1556. C. 1761. D. 177. Answer. A. 1526. 23. The Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in which city? A. Stockholm. B. Oslo. C. Geneva. D. Brussels. Answer. B. Oslo. 24. Which Indian freedom fighter authored Anand Math? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. C. Subramania Bharti. D. Swami Vivekanand. Answer. B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. 25. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse? A. Lord Dalhousie. B. Lord Cornwallis. C. Lord Curzon. D. Lord Wellesley. Answer. A. Lord Dalhousie. What is the origin of Koyal River?